When your project needs a portion of the existing topography changed and you want to keep track of cut and fill volumes, use the Graded Region tool. The cut and fill volumes of the graded region are tracked in the project and can be exported to a TopoSolid schedule. The graded region is a new construction, so in order for it to work, the TopoSolid you are working with needs to be set to a previous phase in the project, in this case, existing. On the Massing and Site tab, select Graded Region. The Graded Region tool copies the selected region to the current phase. Select to create the copy using all points defining the surface, or only the perimeter points. For simple grading, you can use just the perimeter points. For more accurate representations, use all of the points. Select the existing TopoSolid to copy. Add or adjust points to define the graded region. In this example, the steepness of the grade is reduced on one portion of the site and the overall elevation reduced. After the edits are complete, finish the graded region. Depending on the view settings, you can see the existing TopoSolid in the new graded region. Report the cut and fill volumes of the graded region with a TopoSolid schedule. On the View tab, create a schedule and select the TopoSolid category. Add the cut and fill parameters to the schedule. Change the phase filter of the schedule so it does not display calculations for the existing site. When a void volume is removed from the site for a building position, the cut and fill volumes are adjusted to include the volume of the cut in the schedule. The calculated cut and fill volumes are approximate, providing results within plus or minus 2% accuracy. You can further modify the surface of the graded region by editing the points to balance the cut and fill volumes of the project.